chef here at the Sunny Express in Compton. We just opened like a week ago. So right now we're gonna do the our famous breakfast sandwich. Got some butter on the bread. And then until golden brown. Gonna drop some cheddar cheese.
Again, this is our breakfast sandwich here at Sunny Express.
Then we're gonna finish it in the oven at the 400 degrees. Then we're gonna make over hard, over easy, whichever the way you like it. And then here you have to ready.
So we're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Remember, you get to choose what kind of style egg you want. Poached, boiled hard, boiled soft, fried over easy, fried well, sunny side up.
We got that fresh tomato for the sandwich. Also avocado, comes with it. Alright, so we're going here now. I know it's ready.
Oh, that flip.
Okay, now we're gonna check the cheese. So it melted. Alright, so it's ready. So here we have the bacon. Chopped bacon. Some tomato. And here's the egg. And the secret sauce.
Here's the secret ranchero sauce.
For the lower spicy. So now we're gonna put the avocado. Okay. Just got it. All right, ready, guys? With open face. Okay. Come visit us at Sunny Express.
Alright, there you have it, guys. Now this one comes with two sauces. We have the City Ranchero sauce, which is mild for all those that don't like spicy. Try our Sriracha spicy ranchero sauce with an extra kick. See you guys soon.
Thank you for watching.